Hello everyone, I'm Raw Potato, and here we are back with episode 73 of Project Zomboid. Woo! If you guys are enjoying the series, leave a like, comment, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Tell me what you've been doing today, what kind of foods have y'all eaten. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, ring the bell, get all the latest notifications. So, last episode, we left off, we had run through the police station after looting the Gigamart. And we got all these nice crates all in here. So we're organized. You have to excuse me if I have a bit of cough. I've come over COVID. I think I'm sick a little bit. I've been chilling. So, I'll be like taking it easy if you hear me not talking too much. That's why. Anyways. We gotta get out of here. We're gonna pick up some guns and ammo from the police station. So that's what we're gonna go and do. Our sneaking's level 4. So is our light-footed. There's a couple in there. Ah! Ooh, double holes there. Scissors. M19. Come here. Ooh, necklace. It's not silver. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's the helicopter. Okay, we need... Oh, Jesus. It might get hairy up in here, guys. Just gonna grab what we can. We don't need that. Okay, let's get out of here. Ooh, box of paper clips. I'm gonna grab that. Just because, oh, I'm gonna grab these two. Only pick up complete sets of door hinges. Don't make sense. And knobs. Don't make sense to otherwise not. Dude's got a shotgun on his back. I would like that, please. Probably has some shells in it. Yeah. Let's unload it. And we don't need it. Our home is probably not that safe right now. Let's get outside. Oh God. We just gotta keep her cool. Oh, I forgot to set my little timer. Dang it. Maybe we should put the second duffel bag away. Oh, I hope we could just get inside our house. It's not looking like we might not be able to. Oh my God. Okay, we're upstairs. I just gotta check timing. Okay, sorry, I had to check how long we were into the recording. We're upstairs. A little safer, per se. Not really. Oh, paper clips. Put those away. Put those in here. Because it's like for fishing. Alright. Let's unload that. And rack it. Put it back away. Oh, this is not good. Alright, eject that and wreck it. Then we'll equip that one. And put this one away. So that has a red dot on it. It has an iron sight. Alright, we'll put this away. We'll put that away. We'll wear this. Attach that to our back. Don't have a gun for that. Excuse me. Okay. Holes to left, holes to right. So load these up. And then we can fill up one of these. Ooh, I don't like this. We just gotta make sure there's none, like, in front of our house. I'm glad we were able to slip out like that. Haha, they're nudie. Say he was caught with his pants down. Whoa! Might not be the best thing to shoot right in front of home like that. But I was ready to. That's for certain. Okay, that's better. That was a good chunk led away. How many are like inside our house? Okay, not too many. Nope. Okay, let's run around this way. Let's take it easy for a second. Try and not overexert my character since we did a bunch of running. Okay. So far so good. Okay. Oh my lord. Yeah, but the helicopter event just went off like that while we were looting the police station, and we got away with the loot. I think next goal for the next episode would be to set our sights on the warehouse, try and get a sledgehammer. We went through the hardware store, didn't find one. And once we get a sledgehammer, we can go to the gun store, like the actual gun store. But yeah, if you enjoyed that, leave a like. And I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.